Hey, what's up YouTube? My name's Hassan, and today we're gonna be making peppermint hot chocolate. This is a great recipe to make for the holiday seasons, and it's amazing to drink with friends and family. So, super simple, let's check it out, and let's get started. Start by getting a pot, and turn your stove on to medium-low heat. Combine 2 cups of milk, 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, 4 tablespoons of sugar, and a couple pinches of salt. Whisk those ingredients together and let it come up to a slight boil. Once your milk mixture is all in and it starts bubbling, go ahead and add in half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, a 1/4 teaspoon of peppermint extract. Lower your heat to low, mix, and add in 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate. Try to break up your chocolate into as small as pieces as possible, just to make it easier to melt and faster. You could also use chocolate chips. Start mixing your hot chocolate for about 1 to 2 minutes until it thickens. Make sure all the chocolate is melted. Once your hot chocolate has been melted and you've been mixing for 1 to 2 minutes, ensuring a creamy texture, you're ready to serve. Finish off your hot chocolate with whipped cream, marshmallows, and crushed peppermint. And that's how you make a peppermint hot chocolate from scratch.